Hi guys, welcome to another short video clip about MrLopezClases.com. In this particular case, we are going to talk about electrolytic corrosion, electrolysis. I have a great example that I found it in the marina of my friend Danny Rodriguez in Real Loco Marine. Okay guys, if you enjoy my videos, please make a click if you like the videos. Join to my program, and of course, if you have comments, let the comment in this video. If you have a recommendation, a suggestion about new topics, I am happy creating new topics for you. Of course, if you want to support my website, please follow me, register in my channel, and please use patrons. Patron is good. I appreciate your help. Thank you very much. Okay guys, we are going to talk about electrolysis. Yesterday, when I visited the marina of Mr. Rodriguez, I found that this motor, this is Outboard, and when I see the motor, I think, oh, that motor was on fire, it's burned. But when I asked to Danny, he explained that it's not burned. That motor have electrolysis. That motor was on the water for a long period of time with bad neighbor boats. A lot of leaks of current in the neighbor boats. Of course, the leaks of current attacked this outboard, destroyed the sacrificial anodes, and of course destroyed the paint, and after that the metal of the middle section and the lower unit. The situation was catastrophic, and basically the motor right now is garbage, is nothing, because the middle section and the lower unit are completely eroded. The lower section was perforated, pitting corrosion, and of course right now they have water mixed with the oil in the lower unit, milky oil. No, this is a piece of metal, is garbage, and all the metal is completely eroded. I am going to explain to you how the metal right now is oxide of aluminum and oxide of zinc, is completely eroded. I want that you see the explanation of Danny, the assistant of Danny Rodriguez. That's a great example of how the electrolysis can destroy your boat, and how not appropriate selection of sacrificial anodes can affect your boat. Follow the video. In that outboard.
This is galvanic corrosion.
Galvanic corrosion.
The guy that owned this motor had stayed on a boat that was stored at a marina that had leaching sea power, or leaching shore power plugs into the water. So it's due to electricity in the water. It ate the engine.
Electricity flowing in the water and produce that corrosion. Looks like if the engine was burned, but it's electrolytic corrosion. Incredible, you see?
You can see all the pit marks where it's been eaten away at it. You feel it, you feel the indentations and stuff. The zincs are completely gone. It ate all the zincs out of it. The ones up on the trim
they
units.
are gone, no zincs. And the same in the back. No, that's incredible.
You can see here where, because your steering shaft is two dissimilar metals, because
two dissimilar
steering shaft. Look how bad the corrosion got around where the two dissimilar metals meet in the middle.
Oh wow! Look at this. This is oxide of aluminum. It's not aluminum. It's oxide of aluminum. You can't even. It's powder.
You can't even weld back to it.
Yeah. No. It's impossible because you cannot weld on oxides.
Right.
On the pure metal, yes, but not on oxide.
And this is also a cast material. It's harder to weld cast material than it is pure metal.
Yeah.
Pure material.
No, that's incredible. Where was located that? Here in Florida?
I think you'd have to ask Dan where the boat stays, but he's here local somewhere.
Yeah. This is a great example of how the corrosion, how the electricity accelerates the corrosion in a marine environment. No, this is the perfect example. Great, and of course, it's garbage. No, right now it's
not where landing.
Right now it's garbage. Thank you.
I think this thing's got a broken adapter plate. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Got a big crack in the adapter plate too.
No. The power head is good?
Power head's good. This is a parts engine.
Yeah, it's a parts engine. Wow.
Power head's good, that's about it.
He lose $7,000 probably.
I don't know what he paid for the other engine.
Yeah.
I don't know what he paid for this engine either. This was one of Dan's customers.
Yeah.
So I'm really not sure what his total.
Wow. Incredible. Thank you, Danny. Thank you very much.